Alright, there we go.
Yeah, so that's the test done. I was hearing 3 pairs-ish each time.
Yeah, yeah.
House. I am wondering though, because of something else I have in my mind, but what's the mass of your ship?
The mass of the ship? Hmm. I can't really tell. I have to dock actually and check it. But it should be 550, 600 something, isn't it? With a little bit of loadout.
Just I've seen a post on the forums of someone saying that they have a over 1,000-ton anaconda, and I just went, what?
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, you just buy a lot of heavy stuff and put on it. Good luck. It's like, yeah, probably a hobby for somebody to do that.
Yeah, scooter buddy, just joined us.
All right, good.
I think though that the guys on the forums should be able to find something from that.
Yeah, I hope so.
It may be hard to find out the Morse code part of it.
I'll deal with the anaconda then.
No problem. Already dealt with one.
Good.
I'm taking that 5 and that is close.
We seem to have a little bit of rubber banding between you and me, Heavy, but that's it.
Not much.
Alright, test has been concluded, so I think we need to go check out something else then. If you want to hang around and do some bounty hunting.
No
fine.
need.
Yeah. I'll return to the station and do a few repairs. Rearm.
And check the mass of your ship, maybe.
Yeah, alright. Will do. Will do. But I think they're right. The T9s are so much heavier. You can make the Anaconda heavy, but you have to buy a lot of armor.
I think by default the T9 is 1,000.
Yeah. That's the hull mass, and the Anaconda hull mass, I think, is about 500 or so.
Yeah.
Vanilla.
Someone posted on the forums actually. Oh wait, no, I posted a quote of someone posting the masses of ships. And Anaconda, I think, was maybe 450. That's the number that comes to my mind, but maybe to Type 7. Ugh.
Oh, are we doing formation heavy? Is that it?
No, I don't know. I know that I just asked you.
Yeah, I was just enjoying the view.
Yeah, noticed that.
It was pretty.
Wasn't
Oh, yay! Vip Diddy. That was about. Oh, yeah. Yeah, just tested.
Hmm?
No, just one of the guys on the channel. Just wondered whether we had done the test yet.
Ah, yeah, I see it now.
So whip diddy. Whip diddy. Whip. Yeah, alright.
I thought you were saying Salai. Whoop dee 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 da ba.
Yeah, he has
A Salai celebration.
that kind of name, like... Talking to him it sounds like a little bit of celebration. But what should the experts be looking for then, Ratking, when they analyze the sounds there?
Well, the Morse code part, though, it's going to be very hard, in my opinion, to get the Morse code out of that. But the pairs, I think, is, as I said, I had ish pairs. Now,
if you speed them up, they sound like trombone flutes.
people have sped them up and reversed it as well. I wonder how you smuggle yourself into the station.
Yeah, not a problem. As long as you're allied with these people, they don't scan you too often.
Yeah.
I did get a fine earlier today though, because I simply forgot to ask for permission and had to go in and back out again and wait for permission yet again. Then they scanned me.
Oh, that was swift of getting in there.
That's the Anaconda, alright?
Yeah, just it just seems like such a big ship that you just go like, have to crawl it in.
No. You know the exterior quite well after a while. After we bumped a few times, you know how big she is or how small she is. So yeah, you want to know the mass? Let's have a look at that.
Yeah, you'll need to go into the hangar to get the outputting part.
On my way already.
Ooh. Beam delay.
Oh, yep. Well, according to the deployed mass, is currently 1,000
1,000.
or 1,100. Yeah, you'll see that shortly on the stream. 1,093.
That makes me even more want to say about my mass test. By just putting a whole load of Type 9s around all high mass ships, because... Wait, have you had no?
Hmm? If I had...
Just...
What?
We've had the SAP 8 containers of about 3 or 4 being around a UA change to PERS. And now we have this changing the PERS possibly as well. We've also had in my sleep nod test of an Anaconda going close and changing its PERS down from 7-ish to 3 or 4.
So it reads mass as well?
That's what I've been thinking for a while, but it's rather hard to get people to go ahead and bring high mass ships to a non-degrading UA instead of just simply picking it up. Wait, Heavy, what's your
He's flying a
ship
Python.
mass?
Yep. Just checking, my current is 140.
Oh, the station
140.
just killed a miner.
Station just killed
Was
mine.
that